रशियन गवर्नमेंट करंटली फेस कर रही है सीरियस पॉपुलेशन क्राइसिस, स्पेशली सिंस द स्टार्ट ऑफ यूक्रेन वॉर इन 2022। अगर यूक्रेनियन गवर्नमेंट की रिपोर्ट्स पे बिलीव किया जाए तो एज ऑफ नवंबर 2024 रशिया हैज लॉस्ट नियरली 7 लाख सोल्जर्स। इस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट की वजह से काफी लोग रशिया छोड़ चुके हैं और सिचुएशन तब और वर्स्ट हो जाती है जब रशियन बर्थ रेट की रिपोर्ट्स आती हैं, जिसके अकॉर्डिंग रशिया's birth rate had fallen to its lowest in 25 years. Now to overcome this crisis, Russian authorities Ministry of Sex establish करने की सोच रही हैं, which will deal with rising mortality and declining birth rates. But Russian government यही नहीं रुक रही। Authorities ने लोगों की private life में interfere करना start कर दिया है। Authorities are now encouraging people to turn off their lights and internet between 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. to spend some quality time together without any distractions. Government is now sponsoring couples first date with 5,000 rubles. इसके साथ ही 23,000 rubles प्रोवाइड किए जा रहे हैं to newly married couples to spend their first night in luxurious hotels in hope to increase the chances of pregnancy in early stages of marriage. Some Russian regions are awarding 1 lakh rubles to women upon the birth of a child, regardless of whether it's their second, third or fourth child. State like Chelyabinsk तो 1 million rubles तक दे रही हैं couples को upon the birth of their first child. Earlier, Russia's regional health minister introduces a scheme called Sex at Workplace, under which couples are encouraged to have sex during office breaks. According to him, life has become too busy nowadays, so it's better to do it during their office breaks. Now, in a bit weird approach, females working in public sectors are receiving a detailed questionnaire asking whether they are sexually active or not, are they using any contraceptives or not, and whether they are planning to have a children in coming years or not. Females are having a weird feeling in filling out these forms and submitting it to their HR. Those who don't answer these questions have to visit a doctor and answer in person. Russian parliament is also working on a new law according to which couples who choose to live a child-free life will have to pay a heavy fine. Similarly, media outlets that encourage others to live a child-free life will also face a heavy fine and may even be subjected to a lifetime ban. Moscow wants its women to abandon all other important work and just focus only on getting pregnant and becoming mothers as soon as possible. Now let's see if Russia's weird efforts to boost its population will give the desired outcome or not. What do you think about these measures? Are they appropriate or not? Do let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching our video. Have a nice day.